everyone, welcome back to Tipsy Tuesdays. I am currently in the dark, as you can see in my studio. This week's Tipsy Tuesdays, I'm going to take you behind the scenes on a boudoir shoot that I did with Alanna Pearson. So I'm going to show the behind the scenes footage, obviously fast forward it because you don't want to sit here for 2 hours, and then just show our finished products that we got from that day. So it gives you a little peek into boudoir, maybe how it works. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I will do my best to get back to you. Well, thanks for tuning in.
Yeah, I'm in Edmonton.
Pretty cool. Super excited.
Yeah.
Yay.
Here we
I just gotta know if there's feelings, baby. Say the word and we could take it slow.